Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons, and today I'd like to show you an interesting and fun thing that you could find useful in your work. It's how to use special effects to make expressions more interesting. And so we're going to start off today. I'll show you how to do this with a character, just an easy character to draw, based on a little oval for the head, young guy, and thin neck here, like that. And keep it symmetrical with the center line. I'm going to show you, by the way, how to draw a tearful expression, which is kind of cute in comics, but you can make it more expressive with the tear, the special effect, and how you put it in. I'll show you. So let's have the guy with his eye line here, so we have it even where we're going to place the eyes. Put a collar this way, just indicate one. We'll put it in later. A little upturned nose, because he's a little character. Now on either side, evenly spaced from the center line, we'll put big round eyes. You can just sketch them in at first, like this. Just sketch them in. If you have to adjust them, please be free to do that, of course. I'm going to erase mine right here and just make it a little wider on this side. Now I also measure from the other side. For instance, this is about this very narrow space. This is a little wider. So I have to make them even because your eyes are placed evenly in your head. So it's this much area between the outside of the eye and the outside of the head. You're going to have the same amount on this side. So that's better. Now I'm going to make that nose just a little bit smaller. I'm going to give him an upturned mouth off to the side. You can put it right in the middle if you want, but I think it's a little more fun that way. Let's have some eyebrows creasing and crushing the top of the eyes. See that? Push down with the inside muscle of the eyebrow. It is a muscle, you know, and come down on the eye. Now we'll float the eyeballs in the middle, so he's really concerned about something. Same thing in the other one. You have to repeat it the same way. It's floating in the middle. It's not touching the eye, just floating there. Now I'm going to now slenderize the bottom of the face and give it a little more expression that way. He's not too big. Let's slender it a little bit. All right? Yeah. That makes him look a little younger. A little sleeker like that. Good. You can darken the eyes a little bit because you sketched them in, you got the position, and now you want to do that. And take that upper bit out so it doesn't look like an upper eyelid. You don't need that for a character this young. You can, but I don't think you need to have it. Have the ears a little low, no real definition on them. If you want to put a little bit in the top interior, that's all you need. Some people like to put a little flap, which is called a tragus, but I don't know. Don't think it's necessary. And now let's put some hair on, and then I'll show you the tear. How you make the hair can go right here, but let's go off center again. Off center is kind of good. Look crazy up here. He's not put together. Something's bothering him. It could be any hairstyle you want. Now I'm going to shade that in so you're not distracted with the guidelines that are there already. Yeah, that's good. And we'll also bring this collar down. Come out a little bit for the shoulders. Okay, now this guy is really not looking too happy about whatever it is. So now let's embellish it. Let's just make a little bit of shadow right here. Just give him a little bit of concerned shadow. See, already that's working. Now we'll give a little bit of vibration, effective vibration on the side of the head. So there's movement. It's saying he's concerned now. Now here's the tear. Watch what happens. First, a little bit of teardrops have gathered at the bottom of his eyes. Don't make it too dark. And don't shade it. Just leave it like that. That's it. Just a little suggestion. Open this up. This is the important part a lot of people miss. Have the tear overlap the outline of the face. That adds emphasis. It draws your eye to it. And the teardrop won't actually touch the eye. It just comes off like this and kind of hangs there like that. This is a special effect. Something you're adding to the expression that isn't part of the person. And you can add a tiny little bit of shading right here. And a little bit of the interior of the collar shows, so it looks more like a ring. And there you go. Okay, well, there you go. There you almost go. I'm adding a little bit more shading over here, just to make it a little more punchy. Okay, so there is a little bit of a special effect here, and here, and here, and here. But because you're doing it a little bit in the right places, it doesn't look like too much. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed showing you, and I have new videos uploaded every Monday. I hope you will subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.